true? And if so, you need to say it's never going to be true. Maybe it can be true, or it's always true. So when you take 10 seconds, just read those three and just put a little mark by them, see what you think, and then we'll discuss. So always, sometimes, or never, basically, is the question. All right, if two figures are congruent, they are similar. Remember, congruent is exactly the same size, same shape. Do they have to be similar if they're congruent? Yes, they do. So that would be all cases. If two objects are similar, do they have to be congruent? No. Can they be?
In some cases.
Some cases is correct. If you dilate an angle with the center of dilation at its vertex, the angle may change. What do you think? Nope. You change the angles, you are going to change the entire shape. So next question says, are they similar? Are they similar? Taylor, would you read that? Underneath those two shapes, please, yes.
Priya says these polygons are similar because their side lengths are all the same. Claire says these polygons are not similar because the angles are different. Do you agree with either Priya or Claire?
All right, so Priya says they're similar because the sides are all 2. Claire says, nope, not the case. The angles are different. So who do you agree with and why? Adam, what do you think? Priya or Claire? Claire, I agree with that. Now, why? Claire? Why is Claire right? Go ahead.
If the angles are different, they can't be the same shape.
Yeah, clearly you can't. They don't even look the same. Those are not similar. Now, why is that? Because the angles are different. Angles must be the same. Yeah, the sides are the same. That's fine. But the angles are the one that drastically affect what the shape looks like. Okay, why don't you read number 2 on your own? See who you agree with on that one. Everybody get a chance to answer? Addie, what do you think? Do you agree with Jada or Lynn? Okay. Bethany, what do you think? Neither. Othniel, what do you think? Lynn. Okay, well, let's take a peek. These rectangles are similar because all the sides differ by 2. Can you just add 2 to every side? Is that the same as using a scale factor? No. Okay, so I don't like Jada's explanation. Yes, they do differ by 2. That's not a lie. But remember, scale factor is you need to multiply. So if I take 2 times 2, I get 4. If I take 4 times 2, I get not 6. So that's an issue. They use different scale factors there. They did 4 times 1.5. So Jada's out. Let's see what Lynn said. Rectangles are similar. I can dilate AD to BC. Scale factor of 2, and the other one a scale factor of 1.5 to make them congruent. Then I can line them up. So yeah, she's right? Times 2 and times 1.5, but you have to have the same scale factor. If you're gonna double it, you gotta double everything. If you're gonna go times 1.5, you gotta take everything times 1.5. So Lynn is out as well, so Bethany was correct, it is neither. Don't agree with either one of them. Scale factors must be the same. All right, we're going to do this now. I'm going to give you a shape, and you're going to have to go around and find somebody that has a similar shape to you, not congruent, but similar. Okay, go ahead and walk around, look for somebody that has a similar shape, not congruent.
Hey, all 3 are square. Yeah, square.
Oh, what's your?
Got square for the.
Where you find a partner?
No.
Similar, not congruent. So the angles need to be the same, and then the sides should be a scale factor different. We're good? All right, you two
right there. It's gonna fall.
Okay, angles are the same. And then you'd have to figure out the scale factor. 9 times what would give us 10, and so on. That looks good. You can leave yours there. Thank you. Go have a seat. Next group, come on up. Go ahead.
Not it. Why?
This is not right. No, it's not. How do you show it? Oh, shoot. That's not right. I can't get mine in there.
All right. Any issues with that one?
Okay.
Angles look good. 3 times what is 9? 3. 5 times 3 is?
15.
Not 12.
About 12.
You two are not a match.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, go search again.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think Adam is with Ian.
Look at ours. See ours?
Oh, yeah.
Angles are the same, and you can tell all the sides would have the same scale factor because they're all 7 and they all go to 8, or all 8 all go to 7. Looks good, thank you. Next group.
Garrison's gonna.
Angles are all the same, all the sides are 3.5 to 4.5 or 4.5 to 3.5. That is good as well.
Oh, great.
Next.
I think the ample thing wedge. Thingy.
Wyatt, come up for moral support.
Why is the third move?
Okay.
Similar but not congruent. So, nope,
Whoa.
that's congruent.
I didn't know it was congruent. I didn't know.
You didn't know it was congruent? They're the exact same shape.
I wasn't the one. I wasn't the one.
Ian, who's your match?
I don't know. Taylor.
Grab Taylor then. Bring her up.
It is. I don't think it is. Get mine in there. You have to fit mine in there. I don't think it's right. There's no way.
See, I can see here though.
6 times 1.5, 8 times
There's
1.5.
no way.
That's good. Scale factor is 1.5.
Oh.
Next group.
Why the most for?
You gotta be running out of choices. Addie, who's your match?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. So we'll go.
What's 1.5 double? $1.50 twice. What's $2.50 double? Yes. So the only difference there is one is kind of flipped, but the scale factor is 2. 1.5 doubled is 3. 2.5 doubled is 5. Angles are the same. That is a match. That is a match.
That means what?
Somebody else must have this exact same picture.
Yep.
Both y'all?
Both they have the same thing.
All right, well, come show it, prove it.
Go.
Come on, Wyatt, let's go.
I'm gonna go get. It's not part of the group yet.
I don't care. I'm Wyatt's emotional support, Wyatt.
Yeah, you guys had the same one as well. Perfect. All right, thank you.
I'm Wyatt's emotional
Can't take that oath, Neil. It's not a door prize. Thank you.
Oathnail.
All right. So that is it for the new material. Scale factor, the whole point is has to be the same for all sides. Okay, can't say times 2 on this side and times 3 on the other. So page 63 does go all the way to 65. Okay, make a note of that. 6 questions today. Make sure your book is up to date. Tomorrow's quiz is open book, but it can only help you if you have your book and everything's filled out on it. Okay, 1 through 6 for tomorrow with the quiz tomorrow.